Well, I'm so glad that you can be here with me on this last day of the year of the dragon, which is my year. I happen to be a dragon. And tomorrow is the new year, the year of the snake, the year 4711. So in honor of that, I think this poem kind of goes first. Okay. In my hand sits the Ritz-Carlton magazine, handbook of the aspiring 1%. Go to Hong Kong, you beautiful people, for Chinese New Year. The New York columnist gushes authenticity of ancient superstitions. Wear jade for health and longevity. Diamonds and emeralds glisten in million-dollar ads. And I ponder and juxtapose the millions of humans poverty-stricken, sunken and sallow around the globe, dying for a bite of food, a drink of clean water. What percent will we pay for our last breath of clean air?